Alrighty everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So it's Sydney and I. We're going to Leavenworth and we'll be making a few stops right now, but right now we're recouping, eating brekkie real quickly, and then we're getting ready to head out, and then we got some cool footage for y'all. So yeah, catch y'all there. Right now we're at the Wallace State Park. I do have my tripod with me, it's in the back, but it's just a quick stop. We're just doing a restroom stop. But here, if you listen very quietly, you can hear the static here. I'm gonna try to get this. I'll like edit that in the audio so you guys can hear it. Yeah, I mean, so far the car is we just went to Le Schwab earlier to fill up the tire pressure, so far it's looking good. And yeah, this is the Wallace State Park, so it's pretty chill. It was kind of from Gold Bar it was like 20 minutes, but I mean, other than that, we're here now. So I mean, it's the elevation isn't too bad high up, you know what I'm saying. We parked next to it's pretty sick Audi, pretty cool wheels on it. It's got a carbon fiber trunk, but I mean, this is a good hiking spot over here. So yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to the Stevens Pass Ski Resort. We got Sydney in the whip right now. We had a little trouble getting up on that hill over there, but you know what? It's a Porsche. We made it. It's built for the snow. You know what I'm saying? At least a little bit of all seasons in there, no worries. Bruh. So we're chilling. Yeah, smelling that rubber, dude. That's just how it goes, you know? So yeah, we just made a little quick stop right here. This is actually a pretty sick picture. Let me just yeah, so far the car is doing great. We just had to be slow just a little bit on the path, so damn, it's freezing. All right, I'm gonna get going now, guys. All right, guys, so we finally made it to Leavenworth. Just take this in for a minute. After just a long drive of minutes and hours, we finally made it. The Porsche is doing great. It's alive, it's not leaking oil or anything. Yeah, we're chilling. The temps aren't too bad, so I did notice though, since the thermostat is a bit off, that if the temperature gauge doesn't go above like 180, then our heater won't activate. But yeah, so yeah, here we go, guys. We made it. We captured the mountains really quickly.